My name's Amy from Range Rover, and today I'm going to be walking you around our 2021 Tesla Model 3. This is the long range dual motor edition with just under 72,000 miles. If we click our Tesla icon in the bottom right, we can access dynamics, charging, autopilot, schedule for preconditioning and charge, advanced safety features, service, software, and if we click on additional vehicle information, we can get a deeper analysis of the vehicle spec. We have our 360 camera, and with that we can access our dash cam. If we press here, we can access our climate control with heated seats, heated steering wheel, and our heated windscreen. Full black leather interior and a panoramic roof. If you have any more questions about the vehicle or you'd like to book in for a test drive, please feel free to call us on 0118 443 3024.